Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with Grok Trade. We're going to look at the broad markets as a whole, and after the Trump win, the markets went straight up. We're going to be looking at a monthly chart here. This monthly chart, this is the S&P 500. We're looking at this. We have major trend lines coming across, and if you look at this, a huge pop, boom, 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 straight up. However, light volume, guys. I'm not getting too excited about this rally. Everyone's excited about the rally. We had a nice pop to the upside. All major moving averages made big moves this time. But I got a lot to say about that. Right before I do, if you go over to Grok Trade, this Saturday we're going to have a lot of fun. So Saturday, guys, this coming up Saturday, if you go to groktrade.com/meetups, we have some free classes here. Number one, Bitcoin. If you're interested in Bitcoin, we're over 90,000. We almost got to 100,000 on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you, teach you how to get into Bitcoin. I'm going to show you trading algorithms on how to trade this. I'm going to show you my trading algorithms and how you can benefit from these, okay? So go here. There's the information. Pause the video. More on this afterwards. I got thinking, another business I own is a AI agency. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to be doing an AI agency meeting. Might as well open this up to my Grok Trade people. If you want to know more about AI, if you're a business owner, and want to know more about AI, you feel free to sign up. Sponsored by Grok Core here. That's my company. I did not mean to click on that. Let's go back. That's a working link. This here's a private group, Algo Squad. It's made up of volunteers. A lot of them are Grok graduates. And these are people who are wanting to lock arms with me to help develop high-performing algorithms. So I'm looking for nerds. I'm looking for engineer minds. I'm looking for those individuals that like data, like statistics, like the idea of trading algorithms. And you're going to be part of a group. Right now, there's 15 to 20 of us at this moment. And I've already shut the door, but I'm going to open it up one more time. If you think you might be interested in this, you have to have a TradingView account. Make sure you have that. There's links all over. Those are my affiliate links. Please use that. It lets TradingView know that we are sending them people. And you get 3 days free if you use my links. So find the links anywhere. But the recording, watch the recording, and then sign the agreement. So more on this afterwards. But let's get back to the markets. The markets here, this is the S&P 500. We still have a divergence. Do you guys see this? Higher swing high. But if I bring in we got a equal swing high here, lower swing high on the RSI. So that's bad news. But we're no longer in the confines of a rising wedge at this moment. We've gotten up above it, which is pretty good. Diamonds on the monthly chart. Month is over at the time of this. A huge rally. Volume is just not as much as you would think. Why is that? Because we've been going up. All the buyers that we're going to be buying are pretty much in the markets at this moment. So this is a time when it is high is the time to be thinking about leaving. You sell at the high, you buy at the lows. Sell at the highs, buy at the lows. So that's what I'm looking at here. If you go here to the Qs, a nice rally, just up. RSI says we're overextended. We're at the extreme. You have higher swing highs here, lower swing highs on the MACD, lower swing highs on RSI, bearish divergences. So it's telling me that we should be putting in a top relatively soon. The Russell 2000 monthly chart, if you look at this, we just got over these past highs. If you go to this high, so we're at this other high here. I want to show you this. If I go to this candlestick right there, do you guys see that wick coming across? That's right where we stopped. So and this could be problematic. It's up, but we just got to be watching this. Can we get more follow through this next month? Maybe. Especially December is usually a good, nice bullish month. Look at financials. Really, boom, broke a major area of resistance. But the volume is just not like great. So again, how many buyers are we going to have at the highs of these areas? Probably not a lot. US dollar, major resistance. We got over resistance. We came back down. You can see this is a monthly chart. Wouldn't surprise me if we start to drop there. Gold, if you look at gold, gold has already showing kind of a toppy formation. We had this nice run for multiple months, and now we got a red candlestick. Silver, same thing. If you look at that, but we stopped at area support. Can we bounce? We need to. But the VIX, there's no fear out there, guys. We're under 14 at this moment. Just a huge drop. Hit resistance, a huge drop to the downside. Pretty good. Bitcoin at the time of this video is 96,000 and a half. Just a huge rally straight up. Bitcoin is the thing to be in. Don't sleep on this. But a quick look here. I want to show you something. If I go to the weekly charts, this is a line chart. I just want you guys to pay attention to this. Nice rally up. Here, hold on. Let me zoom this in. This is a weekly chart on the S&P 500. Do you see how we're making higher swing highs, higher swing lows? But we're in this rising wedge, and we're at resistance right now. And we are, anytime we get that red line, it's telling me I have a divergence. So I got a MACD. This is actually an RVGI divergence and a RSI divergence. In our mentorships, we teach these different things that you need to know. But if you look at the diamonds blew up through these resistance area. You can see that there. Really nice. And it's trying to break this bearish divergence on the MACD, but it's still there on the RSI and there on the RVGI. If you look over here at the diamonds, we popped over, we're down. We're struggling with this area of resistance there. And if you look, I don't have them drawn yet, but can you see it? Do you see how we have a higher high here? And look at the RSI. It's a lower high. You guys see it? That is a bearish divergence. I could put in my red lines there. I won't do it at this moment. Russell 2000 weekly chart. It's up, up, up. But see this red line? This red line that it stopped at is right there. See that red line? Big time resistance. That's precisely where we stopped. So will we drop, and will these support levels hold? That's something we have to be watching for. The financials had a major run to the upside. I'm going to look at this. Major run to the upside. So I have to do that to this, but the divergence is getting more pronounced. So the question is that flat or going down? If I blow this up, you can see that it is still decreasing. Do you see that? Still decreasing. Yeah. So bearish divergence there. So that's what I'm looking at there. And if I were to do just a quick look at a couple stock charts, I think you might find a couple of these, like Apple, for example. Look at Apple. See how we're chopping around here? We're trying to make a run up. Right now, it's promising a rally to the upside. I see, oh boy, even though we're very extended here, we do have a green histogram. We got a crossover getting ready to happen on RVGI. We're heading up on RSI. So this is saying there is a chance on Apple. Again, this is a weekly chart on Apple, okay? Weekly chart that we could keep going up. AMD is a big bull flag, guys. This is a big time buying opportunity on that flag on AMD. Nvidia, I've got to look at, is just up and away. There is this is a sell area, not a buy area. So that's where we're at there. And let's see, anything else on here I want to take a look at. Oh, that was Netflix. Sorry, I meant to do Nvidia. If you take a look at Nvidia, it's up, a little pullback. This is a buy opportunity, perhaps. I like what I'm seeing there. Planitor had changed. You see that is no longer there. Let's get rid of that. And anything that's jumping out with me here. So I think that's it. All right. So guys, going back to this, if you want to join us on Saturday, here's your chance to do it. Bitcoin, everyone needs to have some level of exposure in Bitcoin. I'm going to show you some trading algorithms using TradingView that will blow your socks off. I'm going to introduce them to you and show you how you can also access these. Very informative class. It's going to be 7 a.m. Pacific. It'll be 10 a.m. Eastern time. It'll be about an hour. So, if you are a business owner or you have some level of influence on your web pages, on your business, then feel free to learn about AI and how AI needs to be on your web page. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. Everyone's adopting that, and we can show you an easy way of getting that added to your web page. And again, if you want to be in the inner circle with a small group of us, around 20, that's going to be working on vetting algorithms, looking for algorithms, testing the great algorithms that we have now. You'll benefit by the idea of receiving those algorithms, and anything that we get. The agreement you'll sign is a rights, meaning that I have immediate rights to those. Okay, you have rights to them, I have rights to them. And it's a non-disclosure that you're not going to be sharing the information with anybody publicly. So this is not for everybody. Please watch the recording and please sign the agreement, and that will tell me that you're in, and we'll get you put in Discord where we are connecting. So anyway, with that, I appreciate you guys. Sorry for missing last week. So I'll spare you. But last week, I did not get a video out. We are working hard with these new 101s that we're doing. And thank you, all you Grok grads who are sending us referrals. The referrals that are coming in from you students have been unbelievable. Thank you for that. Make sure that these mentor students that you're sending, let us know. We want to thank you. So anyway, a shout out to Evie Smith. Thank you. Shout out to Josh Morrow. Thank you. There's a couple that just come in. So thank you. Appreciate that. Take care, guys. We'll see you later. Bye. And if you made it this far, you're crazy. You are insane. Say made it in the comments. At least you and I will know what that means. Take care. We'll see you. Bye. Guys, why are you still here? You just watched my video and now you're still lingering around. Might as well be with you now that I have your undivided attention. Listen, if you haven't done so yet, I highly recommend putting in a foundation of trading, your foundation of trading through a mentor. For learning to fly a plane, you wouldn't just go through ground school before you start flying in the friendly skies. What you would be doing, though, is going up first with your flight instructor. Same thing if you're going to learn to ride a bike, you better have somebody behind you helping you ride a bike. Surgery, you're not going to read a few books and do heart surgery. So every principle and with being guided by a mentor, let finances be this. If you're a trader, you from amateurs to professionals. Mentoring will do that for you. Anyway.